Recoms has two view options, such as table view and card view. Today I'm going to introduce you to Alya Recoms using table view. Recoms is an abbreviation of the word recommendations. This is a dashboard to show predictions by training your marketing data with AI and machine learning technology to efficiently execute the advertisements that you are managing. Alya model returns two predictions. The first one is an action such as increase bid, decrease budget, and the other one is an intensity that is displayed as a number. Predictions are made by the AI trainers for the marketing advertisement, which is regrouping ads on multiple levels of groups. It compares to the ads' performance within their groups, applying specific mathematical functions learned by the AI algorithm during the training process in our datasets. And by considering the performance of each ads that are relative to their groups, the ad type predicts an action to optimize your advertising campaigns. What makes Alya's prediction smarter is through a process called the feedback loop. If you modify the prediction recommended by Alya, Alya will learn it as a better prediction, and then through the feedback loop process, the prediction you manually modified will also be applied to calculate a better prediction for the same or similar campaign from now on. So feel free to use the prediction modifier. You can edit this by clicking on the pencil icon to the right of the task. Here, edit the task and priority appropriately and click Confirm. Feedback loop includes whether to approve or refuse in the action part. If you click the Approve button, depending on tasks, it will be applied directly to your advertising platform even if you are not logged in that platform. If you click the Refuse button, Alya feedback loop will consider it as a wrong prediction and it will recommend another prediction for the next time. The optimization score is an indicator of how well you managed Alya prediction task. The more you apply it, the more this number will go up. Filters help you to narrow down the ads you want to see. Multiple selections are available, and if you click the X button of the filter application is cancelled. View group also allows you to show the same ad group of campaigns.